marami yatang ano.
Ate Chili, hindi mo sinali si nanay?
Mayroon? Ay, ang pait pala. Ngayon.
Kasi kumain ka ng manok.
Ay, manok. Ay, kaya pala.
Start, Ate
Dapat
Ina.
lahat kayo! Sabay-sabaw!
Sabay-sabaw daw.
Atrina,
Sabay-sabaw.
You eat, all of you in, what do you call that? Sabay-sabay?
Soup.
All of you.
Tak-tak mo. Ay.
Ready, open.
Nagbibidyo ako.
Kuha ako.
Grabe ka man, apat
I have to drink that first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Open it.
You know,
Close the, ano.
remember I told you
Close the
Atrina?
light.
Not. Smell good. Irina, you just like you eat the egg.
Atrina, remember I told you?
Kasi na yung amoy ng...
That's why you eating with me, Dad.
Eat me now.
Eat me now! Open that. I don't have strength. Please!
Relax.
Do it just like this, oh.
You just...
Atrina, I just reserved to you the head of the chicken.
Yeah, after I eat balut, I can eat every animal what you will serve me. What you
Or
will
like a
give me.
snake.
Yuck, no.
Balot party.
There is nothing to drink.
Cheer.
Oh, see, oh.
That's the amniotic
And
fluid.
then the
This
two
one?
of them are starting to eat.
I have to show my German family. Look at that, please. Oh my God. I'm really sorry, but
We have a pot
we
session,
never-
ha? Para tayong mga...
Don't vomit. You're not allowed to vomit.
I try. I give my best. Okay.
This is a balut.
Hindi ganyan natin lahat.
Can you give me the ano? Oh, see? It tastes good, right?
Yes, like an egg.
Come on. You just give me the salt. See?
What is that?
The hair. Tutumbang ko.
See? This is the hair.
Pakita mo sa video.
Ate.
I thought it's a small one.
Yes, the small one.
The hair.
This is the hair, the amniotic fluid,
You eat the whole chick?
the umbilical cord, like that.
I have to do that too at the Northern.
And they're ready. Don't just make a hole.
Filipino are carnivorous.
Look at that. He used a big spoon to drink a soup.
Book. Use a big spoon to drink a soup.
Why so hard? Maybe it's not
Oy.
open. You have to open that.
The soup of my ready.
Thank you.
Yeah, well.
I can just open it.
Atrina, it's half cooked. You know half cooked?
Auntie,
No,
tawag.
it's not half.
Auntie, meron yung alarm.
asin.
Ah,
Vinegar.
Ba't walang sisiw sa akin, Jen? Uy, gusto ko yan. Walang sisiw na yung akin.
Penoy ng penoy.
Kaya yata yan. May, wala naman tatak, di ba?
Akin na lang yan ay. Yung
Maniwala, kinain na yan ni nanay. yung
Kinanay
maliit.
pa kinain.
Wala nga.
Dragon
Baka
yun.
ano pa, baby pa.
Ay, ko sabi ko walang sisiw. Yung dilaw pa lang ang nakita ko.
Dinosaur
And
na.
Nana is complaining
Dinosaur
because it's
Dinosaur
all
na kinain ni nanay.
Chick.
no
Kaya lang
cheek,
wala na sa bawang
No
siya.
chick?
no hair, and it was all yellow.
Hey, ba't
Bakit
wala?
walang sisiw? Ano ka?
Ipakitanggal natin. Ipakitanggal na.
Gusto ko yung malaking
Pakitanggal nga.
sisiw. Ha? You don't like balut?
Oh, there's no, ano yata yan? There's no chick.
Yes.
Ay, yung asin,
Just drink the
yung
soup.
suka ko yan.
Yes.
Tanggalin mo, te. Hindi, tanggalin tong...
Ay, sorry. Uy, magkalat kayo dyan. Sige kayo, malalansa na yun.
Uy, hintayin nyo naman ako. Enjoyin nyo pa yan.
I eat balut.
Hindi sa ay, you want to eat balut?
Then shake like
Ito
that.
kay nanay,
There's still more, oh.
Mm. Sarap.
I love that.
Wala
Yeah,
siyang ano,
it's
te.
good.
Oh, when you higop, it's a big spoon daw.
Natawa kasi siya. Kaya nabulong na siya.
Uy! Grabe si Jenny.
Lord, bless the food, Lord. And you have to put salt so it will ano. Wow, sarap pala.
Sarap si.
May luya.
Suka ba?
Do it like that. The way that...
Hinigo pa
I have-
yung suka kaya sabay gumanon ka.
There's a yellow one and there's a hair.
Yeah, that
There's
one.
hair.
And the white one.
The white one.
The fetus one. The bloody one.
No, it's those blood.
Ano tissue?
Don't have. Huh?
Wait, pahingi pala akong sausawan.
Tissue da.
Tissue.
Tissue.
You can eat that at Arena. Okay?
May pla dito kayo dyan, pahingi.
I have to.
Hintayin mo ako, kuya.
What?
Pahingi pala akong ano.
You're done?
And there's more.
It's a carnivorous.
I just can bite that.
Yes, you can bite it.
Where?
I waited for
You
you.
just put salt. Did you put already?
No.
And you just pray for that. No.
Ano, me.
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 Ay, the soup.
Sige. Eat now.
The soup. It's like a urine.
Oh, wow.
The soup is just like a urine.
It tastes good, right?
I don't can watch that. And that.
How was it?
Good. Delicious.
Delicioso in
You
Spain.
have to put vinegar.
Vinegar and
Hey, can I
salt.
have vinegar, please? Please. Inaano mo
Ba't ang pait sa akin?
Yan mo lang kasi. Ano, Bin?
Talagang binuhon
niya
talaga. Asin.
Lagyan mo asin, Bin. Sige.
Yan.
Ay, da.
Wow, I love
Just swallow it.
Yeah, but I have to.
Ay, why is half cooked?
Come on, it's delicious.
Yes. Not
Serena, this one?
You just eat and just close your eyes.
Yeah.
Close your eyes. You can
Close
do
your
it.
eyes.
no.
Go at the arena. Go.
Go.
Wow.
Diretso The whole one. The whole one.
This one.
It tastes good.
That's my alarm. That day and the time you eat the balot.
See the hair like
That's my
that?
alarm clock.
Just like,
You hear that? Sige, ubos na ni
It's
Derek.
Huwag mo naman kasi
Kuya,
ano
Derek,
yun.
don't experiment.
pati nga ako na ano din kasi mana sa balot eh.
Kasi naman ikaw
Akin na yung
ginanyan-ganyan mo
Ano,
kasi.
suka to? Eh, ko na lang
Hindi
babad.
mo pa sinabi na tusik muna, paa, balahibo. Hindi mo pa sinabi ganyan. Mata, ilong.
Ate yun na, just
Go,
see this
go,
example.
go,
This,
Ate Irina.
see.
1, 2, go!
This is the
You
one.
look at your face.
Para ano, kaon pa siya tarong.
Hoy! Huwag mong isuka yan. Bawal ang susuka
Kuya
dito.
Derek, para kumain ka ng
Here.
maayos.
No. You can do
Ah,
that.
Pane.
You can eat
Done.
that.
Kulang pa nga.
He's just
You
making
know,
fun.
they're back.
You know it's not enough for him, that's why.
He
You want to eat, that's your
more.
balot. There.
Kuya Derek.
Suka talaga ako?
Kasi maklukulit ka. Kain na.
Hindi kasi siya sanay.
Okay.
You. Really, you're not a big help. You know that?
This one. Round 2.
Kayo eat yun.
1, 2, ready, go!
Go! Yay! That's done.
Not yet. Let's
Because
move
it's
on.
good.
This one is good. You want me to do that?
Lang na siya tinurn. Lang na yun. You can feel the feet, the bones.
That one. Now.
Wait, I have a full. How if I put someone? I have to.
Yes.
Go.
Just imagine that one is nice.
This is biblical.
I really love that.
Dili.
Like a chicken.
That's why,
See, I want to eat balut. Ayan, uy, matapunan mo si Kuya Derek. Ayan na yung tulo. Ayan na yung tulo.
Suka.
Ayan na daw yung tulo. Talo ka pa ni Irina. Your nice is better to eat than him. Yes.
Akin na, ako na lang yan. I want to sit
Ito madali mo, dali lang ito kainin.
Okay, next one. Ay, kanina pa yung isa.
Bakit kuya hindi ka kumakain ng balot?
One,
Kumakain ako pag
one,
pero pag
one.
sinasadya
Hindi ko
talaga.
na nalasahan ang gabalot.
No.
Ano tayo? Hindi ko nalasahan.
Ayun, may isa pa, isa pa tayo.
Na ano lang kasi si Ate Norlin kasi sinabi ni Ana,
yung ano.
suka. Iniinig niya sabay naman sabi ni Ana.
Ang sakit.
Good? Ginamit niya yung kutsara spoon big. Sabi niya yung sandok.
Ano ito? Ginahan niya.
I love that.
Norlin, babuyahas pala to. Alam mo yung babuyahas, te?
And the one.
Baboy
She's very lonely
Baboy
because
ihat.
she don't have balot.
Baboy ihat.
Baboy ramo?
And Ate Jenny. I want more. I want more.
Why is that so hard?
Ah.
This hard?
You don't need to eat that.
The white one.
Yung manok lang
This one. Why is that so hard?
Oh.
Or just
Ate Jenny, please.
You know what time is 10?
Ako naman, ti.
Ay, si nanay, oh.
Nanay ko naman. Ako
Para
naman
kami naman
kakain.
8 p.m.
I really can eat that?
John
Why is
25.
that so hard?
It's okay.
Irina,
If you, ano.
John 25, 10, 8 p.m. Alarm that you eat.
First balot.
Balot.
So you will celebrate that every year now?
Yes.
Yeah. Call you.
know, it's unfair to me.
Even you're in Germany. Irina, even you are in Germany, every June 25, we eat balot.
We don't have something like that.
Yeah.
We really don't
We,
have that.
that's our remembrance with you.
Maybe we will try the
Ang tamis kaya nung sabaw niyo.
The egg of ostrich. We will try.
What is that?
Yeah, the egg of
Ostrich.
ostrich.
The big
You want to
one.
eat ano?
A balut? Of course. We can eat one together. What is that?
The egg white. The
Why is it so hard?
You know, balot is the
complete meal.
I'm still alive. And I'm okay. And I don't have to vomit. And I feel good. Can I have your, some?
Maybe you will use the big fork.
Thank you so
What's balot in English?
Balot pala.
Still balot.
Even in Germany.
Balot?
German.
So you
But
have...
it's yours special thing from the Philippines, so we don't have a word for that.
You mean that there are also balot in Germany?
No.
That's
They
the
just
term
call
they
that.
use.
We call that
They just
balut.
told you that.
Kala ko nga, adobohin yung baboy
That
eh.
there's a balut.
Grabe si Jenny,
But you know,
nagtatayuan ang buhok niya.
It's
Pangalawang
in
balot niya na kinain, no? Nagtayuan na.
there's no balot there now. There's no balot in.
Dalawa pa na?
Ay, ibig sabihin, may tatlo pa yan.
Done.
Basta pa naman siya? Kailan naman?
Tatlo pwede ka balot, tatlo.
Hanggang tatlo lang.
You can put it out.
Sa mga normal, pero sa mga high blood, sa mga